Good morning. Want to say hello to everybody. Thanks. This is the first time in 2.5 years that we've really been able to have a major event of teaching multidisciplinary, multi-university, and hybrid. So one thing the pandemic has taught us is that we will forever be changed. And the one good thing is we will be both in person and online. And that's very important because we'll be able to affect more, teach more. A lot of the things that we do internationally will be, and have been enhanced by bringing the 21st century electronic in. This is going to be really a wonderful 2 days, both microsurgery and skull base, both open, didactic, dissection, operative videos. This is really wonderful. But it is possible by your presence, both virtually and in person. Can't tell you how excited we are to have you here and to have your participation. So thanks so much. Welcome back to Madison.
Thank you, Dr. Dempsey. Thank you. So, it doesn't go back. I don't know why. Anyway, welcome everybody. It's great to see you back in here. We have many alumni and a new guest. And it's like Dr. Dempsey said, it's after 2 years, we skipped 2 years. Last year, we tried to do only lab part with just me dissecting and then this trying to streamline. But this is first time we are doing the hybrid meeting. I hope everything goes okay. And again, special thanks goes to our chairman, Dr. Dempsey. Tagore said, you know, Indian philosopher, thanks to everybody, but don't forget the person who's holding the candlelight. Dr. Dempsey holds the candlelight and makes everything possible for us so we can do all these meetings, and also he protects us. So that's very important. And great chairman, great surgeon, a great friend, doctor. So, and this also, we are thankful to our department, right? Without department, faculty, all the other personnel, we won't be able to do any of these meetings. This is not moving. So, and this is our UW faculty, Dr. Roche from the ENT, and we have guest faculty, Dr. Bauer, Dr. Chikla, Dr. Dashti, Dr. Gazon Moody, Dr. Maftakar, Dr. Ondoma, one of us, Dr. Patel, he's driving from Iowa, so it takes time. Angela, my former fellow, Dr. Tumala and Dr. Yamamoto. So also we have UW instructors, all of them my fellows in the lab, and these are the current fellows from all over the world, and we are very thankful to them doing all these preparations and getting everything ready in the lab. And very, very special thanks goes to Britany. She put countless of hours along with the other administrative staff. So without further ado, I'll stop here and we'll start with the